Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a summer outfits video for you guys. Y'all know the drill. I picked out 4 different outfits that are either newer pieces or pieces I just wanted to pull to make outfits with. I love making these. I think they're super just like fun to kind of see the mind and the way see how it works like behind the scenes into putting an outfit together and see those final touches and how they complete the outfit, which I think is the biggest thing. Most people just miss one small little thing that would make an outfit feel super complete. So I want to share with you my outfits that I have picked out to style. So without further ado, let's jump into look number 1. My robe smells like my in-shower tanner thing. You guys, I'm obsessed with that stuff. I've already gone through one. I need to pick up another one. If you haven't tried it, I'm going to link it down below. It's phenomenal. But my robe smells like it because I always use it in the shower and then get out. Also, I finally got an espresso machine. So good. Okay, look number 1. Let's style this little red sweater tank thing that I got from Target recently with my little balloon jeans. So I'm gonna put these on, and then we'll put on a tank and see how it comes together. I don't know how these two are gonna look together. I've yet to style them together, but we'll see. I also recently got a lip flip, which is basically Botox, and I just got it in the top lip, like 1 unit on each like side. So if I'm talking weird, that might be why. It hasn't even fully kicked in. I got it on Friday and today's Monday. But I swelled up so bad. If you guys watched my vlog, I'm pre-filming a ton. These aren't actually going up like until like the beginning of July because I'm pre-filming because we're moving. My one lip swelled up so bad that I thought it was gonna pop, but it didn't. So anyway, let's put on this little red sweater tank and accessorize. Alright, I was thinking this will look cute because I feel like with these sort of like pants, you need, oh, I still have my little clippies in my hair. You need kind of a tighter top to kind of balance everything out. And I thought this would look really cute, but this top needs to be bigger. But I kind of wanted to leave the last button open to kind of, not like show skin, but show just like, I don't know, a little something. I think this is cute. What shoes do I want to wear with this? I feel like black shoes, honestly, but I packed up, y'all, I packed up everything. I have nothing left, so we're gonna, oh, I actually do have my black sandals. Where are they? They're over here. Hold on. Never mind. I don't have the ones that I thought I did. Let's see if this looks good with, I was gonna do like a black chunky flip-flop, like a black chunky slide. Let's see if we can pivot and do brown. Brown looks good with red, but so black just looks really good with red in my opinion. But I feel like if we tie together brown accessories, it could work. So let's see. Let's see. It is 97 degrees out today, and we're in Illinois. What? It's not even technically summer. Like, what the heck? I mean, by the time you're watching it is, but today is not. Yeah, I guess this works. Okay, I wish I had black accessories. Probably I would do black accessories instead of the brown, but we're using what we have. So this is it. Let's put on some sunnies, some brown sunnies. I'm going out to the city with Neilani this weekend on Friday afternoon. I'm so excited, but I have to pick my outfit. So maybe one of these will be the outfit I wear, but I think this is cute. I like the red. I love the blue pants. I feel like with this, you either have to tuck in a looser top to show the waist and or wear a tight top to go with these pants to like really accentuate or like balance it, if that makes sense. But I think this is cute. I wish I had black accessories, but I think the brown works. Let's move on. Okay. So clearly I wasn't recording, but I wanted to style these little PJ pants in a way, they're like a striped linen pant. I wanted to style them in a way that doesn't feel like pajamas, because I feel like they can kind of look really sloppy and gross. Not gross, but just like sloppy and not finished. So we're gonna do that. I feel like I don't wear these nearly as much as I thought I would, but I think I just need to come up with different ways to wear them. and then the outfits will flow. But we're gonna change into a little gray t-shirt, which could look like pajamas, but we're gonna see if I can like style it and elevate it into a comfy but chic outfit. So let's do it. Okay, so this outfit's either going to be a flop or it's gonna be cute. But this is gonna show the power of styling an outfit. So first things first, I'm gonna tuck it in. I also could go with a tighter top as well, but I think that loose-ish is gonna work with how I'm going with more of like a casual look. We're gonna tie up the strings. I'm just so limited on my clothes right now since I've packed so much away. But we've got this going so far. I'm thinking for shoes. I don't know. Should we do this? Yeah, we should. Okay, my New Balance. Okay, I think I know the direction I'm going. I think I know. I'm gonna do a sweater over the shoulder because I think that will easily elevate the look. Now, we need some sunnies. We need feeling like a baseball cap. We'll make it look less rolled out of bed. Yep. You know when you just put that piece on and you're like, yep, that was what we were missing. Cute. I like this. It's very like on trend with the like striped pajama boxer pant thing. But I feel like the sweater over the shoulder kind of elevates it. The sneakers. I would also pair this with like my Birkenstocks as well. That could be cute with this as well, but I think this came together. I think it's cute. I think we nailed it. So look number 2. An easy way to just kind of elevate. It's still like you're still comfy, you're still casual, you still look like you legitimately rolled out of bed, but the little finishing touches like the baseball cap and the sweater makes it feel more intentional, like it's a look, you know? So let's move on to look number 3. Okay, so for look number 3, I'm actually gonna put on the sweater. I want to do like a white with dark denim. I just think that looks so good and classic together. So I'm gonna leave on this gray t-shirt, even though I don't think it's gonna pop out of the sweater, but I don't know yet. So we'll see if it does that. Okay, it pops out a little bit, which is good because I kind of wanted like a little bit of a layer. And I know you're thinking summer sweater, I get it, but for cool nights, slash if you're gonna be like in a restaurant or anything like that, having a sweater is good. Okay, now I'm gonna pop on these dark denim dad shorts from Abercrombie, and we'll style and put this together so it looks really cute. So for this, I was thinking brown accessories. So I just feel like brown with dark and white, just like, I don't know, it's just so good. So good. I don't know how I've survived without like belts for the last couple years because they just add such a good finishing touch to an outfit. I love this white. This white like cable knit sweater is just, it's like honestly such a good summer sweater. Should I do a headband? Should we go Americana in this place? Oh, that's cute. I love a headband. I used to wear headbands all the time. They're just so good. They're an easy way to just keep your hair out of your freaking face, which we know I hate. That could look cute with, ooh, that could look cute with my dad's sneakers. No, I think we're gonna go more feminine and do Sandy's. I kind of wish I picked this outfit for last because this is good and I could wear this for the rest of the day. No, I lied because it's 97. We're not wearing this sweater out, but cute. It's cropped. The sweater is kind of cropped, even though I think I got this in like a large. Their stuff is just kind of like, it depends how you like yours to fit. I like mine oversized, so it's boxy because it's a large. But I feel like it's still kind of cropped, like it doesn't hit too low in the back, but you can still tuck it in. That looks cute. I like how this came together. Throw on some sunnies. So, I don't know if you can see how bad this. I feel like sunglasses with headbands is always kind of a hard thing to do. But then, yeah, I would wear this. I love this. I would wear this. I act like I wouldn't. Like I'm like, oh, I would totally wear this. Like, duh, it's everything you own. You put it together. I love this. Cute. I love these shorts so much. If you've not tried the Abercrombie Dad short in at least 1 to 2 sizes above what you normally wear, like, girl, so good. Love it. All right, this was look number 3. Let's move on to look number 4. We have a skirt and a little backless top, so let's switch on my bra and style it. No idea why anyone needed to know that part. So for the final look, I'm gonna actually style this top that I got from H&M like last summer. The tag's still on it. I had no intentions of keeping this. I was gonna return it, but the return window ran out, okay? So I don't actually know if this fits or anything, but these tops are really popular. It's like that open back. So we're gonna see how it looks with my little white bubble skirt. This could go terribly, but we're just gonna have to see. Trust the process and see how this goes together. It looks like these are just ties. I have a top very similar to this from Zara, but I don't know if I just like did try. Oh God, no wonder. No, I'm just kidding. I was like, no wonder I hate this. I don't know why I wanted to return it. I don't really understand why I wanted to return it. Maybe putting it on will jog my memory, but so far I think it's cute. I feel like these tops are very in right now. I feel like Abercrombie has one. This one's very old, so I'll try to find something similar. Oh, I do like it. I think it's kind of cute. I feel like the front of the outfit's like, say this double knotted. The front of the outfit says she's conservative. I was gonna say conservatory. That is not, that's not it. But the back says she's party. Just kidding. Back says she's conservative. The front says she's conservative. The back says she's not wearing a bra. Oh. But it's kind of like stretchy enough where I think it works. I think this is cute. Okay, maybe this is a happy accident, as Bob, is that what his name is? Bob Ross, yeah, no. Bob Ross would say. Did you ever watch that documentary about Bob Ross where like that family like screwed him over completely? Horrible. Okay, I'm thinking sneakers though, honestly, for fun, because this I feel like will make it more casual. So let's put on our Samba. Okay, sneakies on. Poof it out. I feel like this is cute because it gives like, again, that drop waist illusion. I like. Cute. This skirt is the best thing I've ever purchased. If I have not shown it enough, I'm sure, like you are aware. So good. So cute. Love the black sunglasses. Obviously you could go with like a more chic look, like a black flat or something like that, but I think the sneakers makes it like daytime fun and cool. So, all right, that was look number 4. So that's it, you guys. It's gonna wrap up my little 4 summer outfits. I hope you guys enjoyed. This might be the last video you see in this place. I'm not sure, it might be the second to last, but nonetheless, we will continue the future. This is future Kelly, past Kelly, coming to you future. So we will resume our Dallas hot weather outfits really soon. But I think this is so cute. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.